to Python, basic Python data and structures. Please do that. So part of the notification that was sent to you is that you should try and install huh?
It seems there's a feedback. We are getting a feedback on your mic.
Okay. I think that has stopped. So let's move forward. Let's move forward. Python basic. Flow with me, please. Python is a beginner-friendly, high-level programming language known for a simple, readable syntax. Why am I echoing? Hello?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Hello, can we hear me? Just signify. You don't have to unmute yourself. Can you hear me? Just signify, please. Yes, okay. It's better now, right? Okay. Now let's move forward. Let's move forward, please. So Python is a programming language. Just like your English is a language, just like Swahili is a language, just like the way we have multiple languages across the world, we also have Python as a language, but now it's a programming language. We have a lot of programming language, a lot that most of you is also aware of. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Golang. Python is one of them. Python is being used for a lot of things in technology world today. A lot. Front end, back end, machine learning, AI. Just think of it. Cybersecurity. Just think of it. Python is one of the most used programming language in the whole world. Why? Because it is very simple and it is very readable. If you understand English, you can understand Python easily. Python is one of the most simplest that I know that's even able to use. Very simple. All we have to do is to understand the basics, and that is what we're about to do. Python can be used for a lot of things. I said that earlier. But here today, in this class, what we want to learn Python for is Python for data. Whatever that is going on, I don't even understand. So I'm sorry about that. So I was saying that Python is being used by different people for different things. But for the sake of this learning, I'll be learning Python for data analysis, solely on data analysis. We've seen people use Python for backend. We see people use Python for front end. See people use Python for AI engineer. We see people use Python for cybersecurity and all of that. But for this class, we'll be using Python. We'll be learning Python for data analysis. And I want you to please get yourself acquainted with it. It is very, very essential. Very, very essential. This might even set a precedence for you in your tech journey. This will set a good precedent for you in your tech journey by falling in love with writing a code, by writing code. Because I'm very sure some of us we've not even written any code at any time in life. So this might be the time for you to fall in love with writing code. It's very, very sweet. Python is very easy to learn. Very, very easy to learn. So if you have not installed Python on your system, watch me the way I will install Python, because Python is a language that needs to be installed on your system before you can use it. I have Python installed already on this system, though I expected that by now, some of us, because it was part of the information that was sent out, that you should have installed Python on your system. But by the way, if you have not done that, watch me the way I will do it. All you have to go is just to go to your Google and just install Python. There is Python for Windows, there is Python for Mac. It all depends on you. So mine is Mac. Whatever the system you are using, just click on any one of them while it loads. So you can see, I can hear you, Mr. Michael. What is the problem?
Yes, sir. I'm not seeing your screen, sir.
You're not seeing my screen? I'm going to go back. So you're saying you stop Python. So when you do that, you can see either for Mac OS or for Windows. So I'm going to press on Mac OS because that's what I use. So you can see a lot of Python releases for Mac. You can see the dates that was released. So I will advise you, though, for basic data science, for basic data analysis, even Python 9 can work for you. But yes, you can pick Python 3.13, 3.14, depending on the capacity of your system, because there are some modules, because these are updates. These are updates. You can see how they have been. The last one that was released on February 3rd, 2026. So these are upgrades. So, but for the sake of this class, anything Python 9 can work on your system and will work perfectly. And you can download some of these modules we'll be downloading while the class goes properly. So I'm going to click on this. You can see. Now, all I have to do, I have Python installed already on my system, is to click on this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my folder where I have Python installed already. and you can see. So when you download them, you can see I have Python 3.10, 3.10, and I have Python 3.13. So when you download it, you will see them in your folder like this. So that's the first thing you do. So when you download, if for example, you can see the content of the Python. So when you download them, all you have to do is that while setting it up, add your path to it. So it's very easy, just from that place, download it. Then you can add your system path to it, and that is all. So if I click on this, for example, so though it's already installed on my system. So, but let me try and download another one. For some of us, let me download Python 3.2 now. Let me download this. So you can see it's downloading. You can see it's about 67.9 MB. Still downloading. Mind you, if you don't have Visual Studio Code installed on your system or any code editor on your system, please try and download that also. You can download Visual Studio Code, you can download Sublime, you can download Xcode, depending on the system you are using. Or rather, you can download Anaconda on your system. You can download Anaconda on your system. If you don't have them installed already, please do that. What do I mean by Visual Studio Code? Just your Google, download. Or you can even go to your App Store, your Play Store, download VSC. When you do that, I have it already on my system, so I will not be downloading. This is it. So you can go to your App Store, your Play Store. This is your Visual Studio Code, your VSC. So when you click on it, it shows the option for different operating system. So download that on your system. Very easy to use. Just download it. When you download it, then
we know if we have it or not on our system.
I didn't get that. What did you say?
How can we detect if we have this what you are talking about? If we have it on our system or not? How do we detect that?
Just go to your search now. We are using Windows. Go to your search and search for the app. If we are using Mac, go to your app. You can see it, or you can just search for it. If you search, you should be able to see it. This is an application. It's an application. Where is it? Where is Visual Studio Code there? It's an application.
Before you move further, sir, can we also use Python, sir? Or Visual Code is the standard one we are to use, sir?
Can we use what?
Python.
Can we use what?
Python.
I didn't get to type. Let me just type it, please. Type it. Type what you're saying. I didn't get that. Just type it. The Python is still downloading. My network provider is very poor today. All my network provider, all of them. So they're kind of very poor. Don't know why. So drop that in the chat. Drop that in the chat, please. So, Ms. Angela, have you seen that? Do you have it on your system or not? So this is it. Just download it. If you are using Windows, just press on this. It will download. So this is the logo. There is difference between Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code. They are totally different. Download Visual Studio Code. Please. I'm even, it is expected of us to have done all of this already because it's part of what we sent across. We are supposed to just move properly to the class. I just assume that some of us, that's why I'm even doing this again. I'm not supposed to be doing this at all. So make sure you install Python and Visual Studio Code on your system. If you don't want to install Visual Studio Code, you can also download Anaconda. But Anaconda is very large, so just download Visual Studio Code. So Anaconda, you can just say install Anaconda. See. So please do that. This is what a Visual Studio Code look like. Let me open a new window. When you download and you open it, this is what it looks like. You can see Visual Studio Code. It's an IDE. What do I mean by that? It's where you can write any language of your choice. It's a code editor. We have a lot of code editor, but we are not teaching that in this class. We have a lot. Sublime is there, Cursor is there, a lot of them. But I think Visual Studio Code is one of the most popular and easy to use in the world. So because of it's very, very easy to use, So please install that on your system. Also install Python on your system. Don't worry. When you are done installing Python on your system and you add it to parts, automatically they will sync. But mind you, when you are done doing that, you come to your marketplace. I have all of this installed already in my system, so I will not be doing them again. So just come to the marketplace. You see a marketplace like this. You see a marketplace, though on Mac it's a Square extension, but on your window, you should see something like marketplace. And if it's a Square extension too, fine, no problem. So you can just press Python. So when you do that, it will load, you can see extension marketplace. So you will see a lot of Python, they will come, then you store it also inside your Visual Studio Code. So you can install Python debugger, Python itself, Pylance. But for the sake of, because it's level by level, just install Python first. So if you click on it, you can see
Okay.
Scroll up. Go to
Yeah.
one of three. Go to one of three. Yes. Now wait, stop there, stop there, stop there. Now scroll up again, scroll up. Scroll up. No. Yeah, the sidebar, scroll up. Continue scrolling up.
Okay, this is the end.
Continue. No, go down. Let me see what is.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, if you
So-
scroll down now. Okay, scroll down. You need to scroll down, it's correct.
Yeah.
Continue,
Is that
Mr.
okay?
Joseph. Continue. Now, wait. Look at your writing quick measures. You've not marked it. Look at your explore advanced visualization.
Yeah.
You've not marked them now. So click
Okay.
on your
The problem is,
click on your right.
okay.
Oh yeah, now mark it as done. When you are done marking it as done, let me know. Then you do that for the other one too.
Okay.
Then you can proceed.
Yeah. The problem is I don't have the option to mark as complete.
You don't have the option to mark as complete. Scroll
Yeah.
down, scroll down, scroll down.
Okay. This is the
Scroll up
end.
again. Scroll up.
Okay. This is the end.
Okay. Scroll up again, please. Let me see what you have at the top. Is there any other person facing the same issue?
It's the same
It's
thing.
for
Yeah.
everyone. It's for everyone.
It's for everyone, right? Okay, it's because your work has not been approved. Sorry about that.
Ah, okay. Okay.
So sorry about that. So it's because your work has not been approved. So because your work has not been approved. So once I approve your work, we will see that. Though, like I said when I started this class, some of you, your work were not approved. So we have to redo it. But I will address that before we end this class. So thank you, Mr. Joseph. Let me go ahead. So moving forward, let me continue sharing my screen. Now, my Python has done downloading. What I will do now is that you can see it here. Just open it. Just double tap and open. So when you open, if you watch this, the installer is already installing. So watch me, please. Watch me. Watch it. For some of you that might have problem with it, watch it. So all I will just say is continue. You can see the processes. Introduction, readme, license. If I say continue, you say continue. I say continue. I agree. And I say install. I'm going to put my password. So you can see that it's installing. Don't be confused. It's very simple to use. Don't be confused. Very, very simple to use. Don't be confused at all.
Recording in progress.
So still installing. So while you are doing that, continue downloading your Visual Studio Code. It's my Chrome. Your Visual Studio Code. Continue downloading that. I have it already. I will not be installing that.
Hello, Mr. Isaac. Hello. Hello, Mr. Isaac, are you there? We lost you. He's here. Hello?
Network issue.
Yeah, can you hear me, Mr. Isaac?
And about that.
Recording in progress.
Hello, Mr. Isaac. Ah,
Telling me that congratulations, Python has been successfully installed on my system. All I have to do is to click on close. So once you are done with that, and you are done installing
Mr. Isaac, can you hear me?
your system, just open your Visual Studio Code. So I've told us already how to call your Python extension. When you are done with that, You also need to call your Jupyter.
Please, can anybody hear me?
Same way,
Yes, I can hear you.
install Python, install Jupyter too.
Oh, Mr.
Go on, go on, go on.
Okay, my own, I just downloaded the Python and in a screen that I don't know what to put into the box.
You are what?
I downloaded Python, so I'm seeing a screen that I don't know what to input into the box. I've downloaded and installed.
Share your screen, let's see it.
Okay. So this is my screen. Hello? This is my screen.
I can see it.
Window is not configured to allow paths longer than 260 characters. Yeah, I can say. I can say. Python has some other apps from exhibits, remember experience. You didn't go. What led you here, actually? You're not supposed to have this at all.
I just downloaded and it brought me here.
You're not
I
supposed
just
to have
clicked
this at all.
next and I landed here. So should I
Ms. Angela, can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay, cancel this. Cancel this. Cancel this then. Cancel this.
I canceled it already. So should I re-download or what?
I can hear you. I said cancel this, so cancel it.
After I re-download, what about this code? Oh, why are you not hearing me now?
Yes, go to your download. Just go to your download.
Okay. My downloads. See it. These are my two downloads, the VS Code and the Python. Okay. Hello.
I can hear you, Ms. Angela. I can hear you. Sorry about that.
Okay. So these are my downloads. Look at what I downloaded.
Yeah, so open it. Open the if I click on this, for example, now, if I say, so this is what we mean by commenting. It means that you are rendering that particular line on live for that. It means that this particular line should not be working. That's what we mean by commenting. It means that it should not be read. So you can drop a comment and say, I will come back to this. I will come back to this. I will come back to this. To this. So it's what you can see, this is showing green. It means that this line is commented out already. It means that this line is commented already. It means that this line is commented already. Now, moving forward. So I've spoken about the syntax part of the Python. Now, variables in Python. Variables are containers for storing data values. You do not need to declare the type of variable explicitly. Now, look at this. When we were doing our data analysis with Excel, Microsoft, and all of that, we talk about data type. If you remember, also in Python, we have data type. We have string, we have integer, we have a lot of them. Datetime, depending on your data. For example, if you are writing something about dates now, let's say you want to write today is 22nd, right? 20, today's 22nd, yes, 21 rather. Today is 21. Let's say your date format is in 21/02/2026. 02/2026. Your data type